I have a problem. I don't want to give you my DNK. Do you understand that?
It's not DNA.
It is.
It's oral fluid testing.
No.
It's a drug test. So
No.
if you don't take drugs,
I'm not
then you should be
I'm
happy
not
to do
using
a
the
drug
drugs in
testing,
my
okay?
life. I'm not
Well,
using
then you
drugs.
should be fine.
Well, I know what.
Okay. Do you understand that you will be arrested? You'll
Sir.
be taken back to a station and you will
Yeah.
be charged.
Sir, I will not take this away from the front of your vehicle. If you subject to this testing, I will place the test on your
If
bonnet
you give me
there so
that
can
one
see it.
back in my hand, I can do that.
Yeah.
But if you're lying, I'm going to sue you because you're lying.
No, that's fine. You can
Do you
take
understand
the-
that?
Yeah, 100%.
You.
I will put the test in front of outside of your
So you
vehicle.
can
on
see
the,
everything.
Right there, so you can see
Okay.
it.
No, no. I want you to give me back to me that
Yeah,
plastic.
once the test result's done, you can have the test. I don't care. Scrape it down your tongue a few times, a few more times. Yeah, that should do it. Thank you, sir. No worries. So this test for cocaine, cannabis, and methamphetamine.
I never use the drugs.
Okay, that's fine then. Takes about 5 minutes for the test to work. In the
Yeah.
meantime, you can't have anything to eat, drink, or smoke that could alter the test, because if you do, it is an